Alright, starting lap 6, the caloric content of food. This lap is, I guess, pretty straightforward from what I read. There's three foods: marshmallows, peanuts, and chips. And we're pretty much do the exact same thing for each food. We first get 50 milliliters of water and burn the food and put the food under the beaker, and then record the initial and final temperature and the mass of the food. So let's get started. The first one I'm going to do is I'm just going to start out doing peanuts since it's right here. We'll start out doing peanut. Alright, let me get you a peanut. Alright, here you go, peanut. And let's start out with the first one. So with your digital scale, determine the empty weight of 100 milliliters of water. Alright, so I have an empty scale. I'm going to determine the weight of it. So it is approximately 53 grams, okay? Write that down. Okay, so the next step is half fill this beaker with water approximately 50 milliliters. So I'm going to weigh this real quickly. Alright, I got it, and it says 50 milliliters. And we get approximately 104 grams, so we'll go 104 grams. 104 grams. 4 grams. And let's see, the beaker and water minus. So now we the beaker. So now we have to subtract the mass of the beaker with the mass of the water to get the mass of the water. And so alright, so let's do some subtraction. So we got 53, 106. Okay, so the mass of the water is 56 grams. Okay, mass of the water is 56 grams. Okay. Place in moving foil on top of the catch needs well to reflect on heat. So I got my aluminum foil, and then okay, so we'll start out doing with peanuts first. I'm just gonna use this as my holder. So let's first record the weight of the peanuts. Okay, 0.7 grams, and then the weight of this, which is what I'm holding it. So 23.2. So that's about 24 grams. 24 grams total. Peanuts, all the whole by wire test tube. Okay, let's get the initial and final temperature of this. Okay, so the initial temperature is, I would say, approximately 20 degrees Celsius. Let's put 20 degrees Celsius, and now we have to light this up. We're going to light this up. time's up.